सर आज आप जो आरपोरा में जो इंसिडेंट हुआ फायर इंसिडेंट उसमें जो इंजर्ड लोग हैं उनको आप मुझे क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
देखिए, मैं आज अभी हॉस्पिटल में जाके आया हूँ। बर्न जो यूनिट है वहाँ पे 5 पेशेंट्स की ट्रीटमेंट हो रही है, जिसमें से एक की हालत है जो वो क्रिटिकल है। एक लड़की है जिसकी अब 28% बर्न है, उनकी हालत क्रिटिकल है। एक डॉक्टर है, ही इज़ बेटर पेशेंट एंड अदर मीन्स उनका हेल्थ बेटर है बाकियों से। और 3 लोग हैं जिनकी हालत अभी कहीं नहीं जा रही कि क्या हो सकता है। 25 लोगों की डेथ हो चुकी है। और जिस तरीके से ये इंसिडेंट हुआ और जिस तरीके से आज सरकार मानती है और चीफ मिनिस्टर ने खुद कहा है कि इस क्लब को परमिशन नहीं था, इलीगल चल रहा था, तो क्या आपकी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सो रही थी? क्या आप सो रहे थे? ये सवाल उठता है। आज एक सवाल ये उठता है कि जो लाइफ है, ह्यूमन लाइफ है, उसका वैल्यू क्या है भारतीय जनता पार्टी की, गोवा की सरकार का? जिस तरीके से मैंने आज 1 साल से मैं कहता आ रहा हूँ कि एक्सटॉर्शन चल रहा है, 1 साल से मैं कहता आ रहा हूँ कि क्लब्स जो है बिना परमिशन के चलते हैं और इनके चलाने के लिए हफ्ते लिए जाते हैं। और ये मैंने ओपनली कहा था, नाम भी दिए थे कुछ, लेकिन सरकार की तरफ से कोई भी कार्रवाई नहीं हुई थी। It is unfortunate that Chief Minister is today crying crocodile tears and saying that he will take action, do magisterial inquiry. But we have been trying to tell them that this is going on. This could have been preempted. These deaths could have been avoided. Why the Chief Minister has not taken action so far on the administration, which failed to take action against these clubs? Why were they allowed to operate without permissions, without safety norms? And this tragedy is absolutely, government is responsible. Not just vicariously but directly responsible for the death of the people. There is blood on the hands of this government. Chief Minister is solely responsible for administrative failure, and we demand that compensation of 2 lakhs, not just 2 lakhs, but compensation equivalent to a life that you believe it is the value of the life, because there is no value of life as far as this government is concerned. Needs to be paid. You can avoid making 1 or 2 events that you do and spend 25-30 crores on these events. Just avoid taking commission from that, and probably you will be able to compensate enough for the victims. So I think it is a very unfortunate incident that has happened. Our prayers are with the family. They are in a very sad state. We have met the family members of certain patients. They are disturbed. They don't know. They have actually sworn never ever to come to Goa, because some of them could not get an ambulance, some of them could not find an ambulance to come here, and that shows how administration has reached a state where I think सब कुछ जो चल रहा है वो भगवान भरोसे चल रहा है। और ये भगवान भरोसे वाली जो सरकार है, उसमें अगर जनता की लाइफ का वैल्यू नहीं है तो और क्या करेंगे?
As per some major opposition sports you demanded.
Yes, it's important that this chief minister should resign first of all, because it's his responsibility that what has happened. He is responsible because it shows administrative failure. There is no doubt about it. Because the authorities have failed to act, these clubs have operated. It's not a small club. There was no safety norms followed. The situation of the club was such that people could not exit. They went to the basement and they died due to suffocation, not due to fire burns, which shows that there was no proper plans which are required as per norms. That is an exit plan in any restaurant. I am also into restaurant industry, and I know how when as locals we go for permission, seeking permissions, how the fire department asks us to show exit plan and all the sprinklers and everything which were absent in this. If they were there, then this incident would not have happened. So now, when Chief Minister admits it at 3 o'clock in the morning, who told him that there was no permission? Why Chief Minister has not even visited the hospital till now? Just because these people who lost their lives or who are getting treatment is not their family. There are various questions which needs to be raised. Question of safety of tourists, question of illegalities that are happening in the administration, the way the government departments are functioning or non-functional they have become, because the administration, the one who holds administration and who holds majority of the portfolios, he is the chief minister who has no trust over his ministers, because he is holding majority of the portfolios. And yet he is not able to keep a control because he has no time. From environment to PWD, which partly is given now, from home to the other permission which requires finance, everything is vested with him.
We are here about this. Panchayat was given the license to the demolitions. What do you say about it?
You see, one thing is that the panchayats are all BJP controlled panchayats. They know what is happening in their jurisdictions. Now, Sarpanch, secretary who have signed this, should they not be made accused? Should the authorities which acted or failed to act in the matter illegally or did not do their duty, should they not be made an accused? Should Chief Minister not be made an accused? because his administrative failure has led to this incident which has happened. It's a tragedy. The way you can see the family, the members who have been working there. They had come here to make a living. There are two brothers who lost their lives. The only living members, only earning members of the family have lost their lives. Imagine the trauma the family will go through. Back their wife, their kids. How are they going to survive? Question which needs to be answered. There is no, and you make the value of it as 2 lakhs by way of ex gratia payment of 2 lakhs. The government should have acted so far. You can't order magisterial inquiry after death. We had told you that this is a problem. Just find out and do what needs to be done.
Okay.
I am not proving a point here, but the fact remains is that after being told also, if you can't act, that means you don't want to act because there is something that you get out for not acting. It's as simple as that. I don't have to say much more than that.
Okay. और एक है जो आपने बताया कि डीजीपी ने बोला है कि सिलेंडर ब्लास्ट हुआ है
2:30 या 3 बजे डीजीपी कहते हैं कि सिलेंडर ब्लास्ट से हुआ है। अभी मैं जिन पेशेंट से मिलकर आया हूँ, वो डॉक्टर है, वो खुद कहते हैं कि वो खाना खा रहे थे, तभी एक शो शुरू हो गया। अंदर शो के पीछे जो डांसर्स थे उनके पीछे फ्लेयर जो थे वो फ्लेयर स्टार्ट किए गए, जिसकी वजह से रूफ स्टार्टेड बर्निंग। जो रूफ 15 सेकंड 30 सेकंड के अंदर रूफ वॉज मेड ऑफ हे, उसने फायर कैच कर ली और वो गिर गया नीचे, पूरे सोफे पे गिर गया, सोफे जल गए। उसकी वजह से जो लोग डरे, जिनको बाहर जाने का रास्ता नहीं था, वो बेसमेंट में चले गए। जो पूरा स्मोक था बेसमेंट में चला गया और वो वहां पे बर्न की बजाय सफोकेशन से मरे। तो आई थिंक इट इज कंप्लीट फेलियर ऑफ सेफ्टी नाउ. Who is responsible? Administration. Those licensing authorities which granted license and allowed it to operate without license if they were operating without license. They have other establishments where demolition orders are there. But they are operating daily. You think police are not aware? Or are the police blind? Are the police station blind who are letting this operate? Or is the DGP of unsound mind? That he makes a statement at 2:33 in the morning that was a cylinder blast. So blame it on the cylinder blast. Or were you asked to make that statement? So this is something which does not meet the eye. Rather, it meets the eye. When I say, we were discussing with Valmiki, our working president, that we have been saying this time and again. I think Valmiki has taken 10 press conferences. I have taken 20, where we have pointed out time and again.